This month for product review we've been looking at garden forks of different kinds, and we've looked at 7 and we've picked out 3 that we particularly liked. So let's have a look. What have you got, Steve, in yours?
Yeah, I've got a traditional Spear & Jackson traditional digging fork. Very nice. It's got a lovely polished stainless steel head there, so it glides through the soil really easily, which I quite like. Nicely fixed to a hardwood handle, so and that's finished. It's weatherproofed as well, weatherproof finish on it, and it's got a 10-year guarantee, so
nice
pretty good all round.
That, isn't it?
Yeah, and it's not too heavy, and it's about my height, I have to say.
Yeah.
So probably
Good size.
ideal for me, being
Medium
vertically
size.
challenged, but yeah, medium height.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How about you, Em?
Well, I've got rather unusual looking one.
It's a
here.
beast.
Yeah, this is actually a potato fork. So ideal for lifting your spuds or something like parsnips, turnips. Because of course it's got the wider tines, so obviously they don't fall through. It's a compass potato fork. It's from Sutton's, Sutton Seeds. But as you can see, I thought what's good about these is you can it's almost a bit like a spade in a way, because it actually does. You could actually use it a bit like a spade, couldn't you, when you're digging? Because it actually holds the soil, whereas it normally falls through. It's very fine soil, this. So.
Yeah. Do you like
It's
this?
quite a sort of dual purpose sort of fork.
Yeah.
And you like the T-shaped handle?
Unusual
T handle,
T shapes otherwise.
Yeah, it's quite nice when you can. Yeah, I think it's a nice.
Great
nice
for lifting
colour.
your potatoes, that one. Right, I've got quite a unique one. This is a Fiskars, ergonomically designed, and you can see it's got various angle joints which make leverage when you're digging quite easy. It's relatively light compared to some of the others we looked at. Got quite thick tines, but slides through the soil, particularly this fine soil anyway, quite easily. Comfortable to hold. This is sort of some plastic covering which means that it doesn't get too cold in the winter, and it's quite tall as well. But I think even if you are, shorter than tall, you do get some leverage from coming in at a lower angle. So if you've got back problems or something like that, it might be not particularly strong. This could be a good choice for you.
Yeah, good one.